Kaunta kay kung di ta mo ka may na siya tagilamian. Thank you. Big fat.
Yes, mad fat, yes.
Food made by honey. Ah. What's the ingredients? What are the ingredients of this food, hon?
The potato salad.
Ay, potato salad.
Mm.
Potatoes, pepper, chili, onion, garlic,
Egg.
egg, mayonnaise. Only? That's all?
Yes.
Pagpatambok ni. Klaro kayo.